Oliver lived in a cozy cottage by the woods with his grandma. One sunny morning, while helping his grandma clean the attic, he stumbled upon a dusty teapot. It had intricate patterns and a tiny clock on its lid, which was stuck at 3 o'clock. Grandma told Oliver that it had been passed down through generations, but no one knew its secret. As they polished it, the teapot suddenly started to whir and glow. Time travel begins. In a flash of light, Oliver and the teapot found themselves in a bustling Victorian-era town. They saw horse-drawn carriages and people dressed in old-fashioned clothes. Oliver realized the teapot was a time machine. A friendly inventor named Mr. Jennings explained how to use it. He offered to help them find their way back home, but first they needed to fix the teapot's clock. 3. The Search for Time. Oliver and Mr. Jennings embarked on a quest to find time crystals to repair the teapot's clock. They encountered many challenges, like solving riddles and escaping a mischievous group of time-traveling squirrels. Along the way, the teapot's clock was repaired, thanks to the newfound knowledge and courage they gained on their journey. Oliver realized that even though the past was fascinating, there was no place like home. He bid farewell to Mr. Jennings, who gave him a small time crystal as a keepsake. Back in their cottage, Oliver and his grandma marveled at their incredible adventure and the repaired teapot. From that day forward, they cherished the teapot and the memories it held, knowing that some secrets were best shared with those you love.